Hey cadets, if you are a crypto and blockchain enthusiast that loves all the changes that this new technology is bringing us, what you may hear now could be a tough pill to swallow. Here it is. Most decentralized projects aren't really decentralized, and it's virtually impossible to hold these projects to any accountability since, as we already know, there are no laws to police the cryptoverse, at least not yet. While some projects strive to be as decentralized as possible, most tend to give power to a few individuals. Case in point, Decentraland. As an example, its unelected Security Council can veto all proposals from the DAO. While this is a chronic issue with many projects, not everything is as grim as it may sound. A project called vEmpire is attempting to act as a guardian of decentralization, all while bringing fun to the process. How, you may ask? Well, let's see how everything works. I'm Captain Crypto, and welcome to Cryptonauts.
Cryptonauts.
vEmpire is a new protocol launching at the end of this month from both Unicrypt's incubated launchpad and as an IEO with MEXC Global. vEmpire has positioned itself at the front line of the battle for decentralization. As a democratic, decentralized, autonomous organization, DDAO, vEmpire will invade Decentraland's metaverse to root out centralization. No more wolves in sheep clothing. And the best part, users get to have fun along the way. It's no secret that centralized organizations are becoming more and more untrustworthy due to the clustering of majority control of projects to only a few individuals. While decentralized networks are designed to end this tyranny, some, well, most of them are failing miserably. The good news is these projects have inherent weaknesses which vEmpire DDAO aims to exploit by using a new, fair system of DAO that rewards honor and loyalty to the DDAO in more or equal measure to monetary contributions. It seeks to combine the best of both worlds and ultimately bring power back to the community. vEmpire achieves this by strategically placing the communities that participate in these decentralized projects at the center of everything. Power to the people. It simply rewards participants for their loyalty as well as monetary contributions. And the focus of the entire project isn't just rewarding the users. No, they go a step further to highlight centralization and see them creep into decentralized projects. The end goal here is simple. Root out monopolies, especially where a small percentage of token holders own the most coins, hence higher voting rights. In the initial stages, vEmpire will invade the metaverse and its protocols before launching its own metaverse later on. Notably, just a handful of VCs are involved in almost all metaverse projects. They have amassed enough power to withhold up to 80% of the profits and control every aspect of the metaverse, all the while hiding behind the veil of decentralization. While independent developers and creators have previously been priced out and bought out by these huge gaming companies, the vEmpire team has committed to doing the opposite and empowering individual creators in the game's virtual world. For this purpose, it has developed a token with several different functions from which users and participants should benefit in a special way. At the center of the vEmpire DDAO is the native token, VEMP. They have created a DeFi-esque staking strategy and rewards for these metaverse tokens. These tokens, such as mana and sand, will be used to invade metaverses that they believe are leaning away from decentralization. As stated, vEmpire's purpose is to serve the metaverse community and make sure the users profit from this new virtual world more than the same capitalists who have benefited greatly from our current centralized and monopolized world. The DDAO will distribute the value generated by multiple pools and liquidity provider services among platform participants to stakeholders. You can provide collateral, allowing you to receive a share of the fee revenue generated by supported decentralized financial services, NFTs, pools, and other contributions. vEmpire also intends to combine vEMP and mana into a network, as it is decentralized and concerns only mana. Here's a simplified version of how it works. The mana staked is locked in the strategy, and the contributors to the strategy are rewarded. The initial yield will be purely vEMP. This will be paid for a set number of years, while land is purchased continually and monetized using the stakers of mana. Once the land provides an income, the strategy will yield both vEMP and mana until the full supply of vEMP is circulating. It's pretty simple, huh? By taking mana out of the equation, the holder of vEMP actually has a say in the governance. Users can stake the vEMP token into xVEMP to grant governance rights for all operational matters of the DeFi service regulations. After that, the generated income from their play-to-earn games is paid out to the holders of the xVEMP token. This coin has governance features that gives users control over the invasion, conquest, and expansion of the empire. Get it? The protocol also has a different level of staking, XSVEMP, which aims to train soldiers and is used to fight in vEmpire's play-to-earn card battles in its arena on the platform. vEmpire's NFT trading cards boost the cards in the player's hands. This means that the users who own vEmpire's NFTs will likely be among the most profitable players on the platform. The card game, however, remains a game of strategy and skill and will not be pay to win. XSVEMP holders choose how many of their tokens to risk in these battles by choosing a pool. This pool burns a percentage and rewards them to the winner of the fight. After the launch of its V2 platform, users will be able to begin deploying and staking Metaverse tokens to the platform, and these will be used to purchase land and estates to monetize and rebuild sections of other Metaverse projects in the aesthetics of the Empire. The first parcels of land that they want to purchase and create are as follows: an embassy and NFT art gallery for purchasing trading cards and vEmpire wearables, a coliseum used for gladiator and NFTs, chariot racing track, charioteer NFTs, an army barracks and a bedsit where mana is charged per night stay, while vEMP is dropped into a wallet as an effective foreign exchange service, allowing Decentraland's users to swap mana for vEMP. So hey Dom, thanks for joining us to chat about vEmpire. So I guess first and foremost, if you could kind of give our audience a little bit of an intro about yourself and kind of what you do in the space.
Yeah, great to be here, no worries. So I think vEmpire, and the reason why I built it was out of general frustration with everything we keep seeing in the market, animal token after animal token, food-based swap after food-based swap, daddy, baby, whatever, all of these things just growing this frustration inside of me, the commoditization of the space as well by massive venture capitalists. So that was what really got me on board and into the area.
Nice. So you're building out this whole thing by yourself, essentially.
Well, I wouldn't quite go that far. We've got my brother is the chief operating officer. Mike goes by Remus. I'm Dom Romulus. So as well as me and my brother, we've got a couple of other core staff who look after content marketing, etc. Alongside that, we currently have a team of 8 developers. We have another 32 devs ready to go as soon as we have our token launch in 7 days' time.
What excites you most? Like, what are you looking forward to the most right now?
Token launch.
Okay.
Firstly, definitely. So that's on MEXC. They're running that on 26th. That's their end day. Usual sort of IEO process. But on the 31st of August at 8 p.m. British Standard Time, we have the largest fundraise, which is being done through Unicrypt with a 320 Ethereum soft cap and a 360, and 720 hard cap. So everything is firing on all cylinders towards that. Fingers crossed. The past 3 incubated ILOs, of which we're the 4th, all sold out quite quickly. So fingers crossed we'll hit hard cap app, we can initialize the market, hopefully get the listing.
Nice. Yeah, great. Well, I'm excited, man. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us. vEmpire is a new brand in the world of decentralization and NFTs, a democratic, decentralized, autonomous organization, DDAO, whose goal is to bring back decentralization and balance to the DAO. The idea is based on the belief that those who demonstrate commitment and honor in decentralized groups should be rewarded. The native token of vEmpire is the VEMP token, which is used as a medium of exchange for NFT card champions, shareholders, liquidity providers, and the entire ecosystem. VEMP is the perfect approach to a metaverse's leadership. We should all go back to being more decentralized and giving power back to the people. What do you guys think of this project? We're certainly looking forward to see what vEmpire has to offer in the future. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you want to learn more about the project, check out the links in the description. Also, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Captain Crypto signing off. Remember to hodl, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.